Hello, hello, hello. I am M&M, Mystical Mermaid. I am going to be working on BRYAN KOHBERGER. This is an update, okay? Everything that I am about to speak, this is my spiritual opinion, not based on facts, okay? All right, you guys. So, I will cut the camera on if I get through these in enough time to pull some cards live. Okay, I have not pulled cards. I'm actually here. I can just go ahead and show you guys the whole point of me. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is I wrote some um, questions down, and I wanted to ask Spirit about it and just see, you know, where we're at with this case. Um, if I've missed anything that anybody is curious about, then please leave in the comments below, okay? All right, so I asked, what is Brian's general energy right now? Okay. All right. For whatever reason, I'm getting that his spirits are really high and motivated. I actually I'm getting visions of him studying or working on his case quite a bit. Okay, so I do feel like he's definitely hands on when it comes to him working on it. Um, how did Brian feel about the case moving to a different county? Is it Ada County, I believe? Um, the first word I heard, confident. Okay. How does Brian feel about this new prison he's in? Okay. All right. So I'm picking up that this county wasn't his first choice. Okay. But I'm definitely being shown that he's determined to prove his alleged innocence, y'all. He's very motivated. How did Brian, or how is Brian getting treated by the employees and other inmates? Okay, I'm being shown that he's being shown with respect. Okay, respectful. Um, yeah. See, I'm getting even now. I'm getting downloads of I don't know if it's a library or if it's just an area like a church area where he is allowed to go in to work on his case. Definitely being shown that. Um, it's like I'm seeing that he's earned some sort of reward almost. So I wouldn't be surprised if we hear about something like that. Okay. Um, the other inmates mostly, I'm hearing something about a veteran. I don't know if we know who his cellmate is or if he has one. There is something about a veteran that is in prison right now that is socializing with him or has, or I don't know. There's a connection there. Okay, because I'm clearly seeing it. Um, I had wrote here from Spirit. He's being separated or kept from a few that wants to get at him. Okay, so apparently, and I'm sorry, I can't read my writing sometimes when I do this. Okay, it's automatic writing if anybody's curious. But he So listen, I know I wrote down that he's being separated, but there is something really specific because I keep seeing it over and over. And the more I see it, the more I know that it is. Okay. There's something about a veteran that he's connected to there that is helping him or either advising him or maybe giving him law books or something. Okay. Um, how did Brian and his attorneys feel about the new judge? Okay. All right. Brian, let me turn on a light, you guys. I'm so sorry. I can't see shit up here. Hold on. Okay. Now I don't know whether just to start over or not. I'm going to keep going. Y'all, listen, I'm not professional when it comes to electronics and things like that. Okay. I'm a mom. I got to be up here with my son. So it is what it is. Also, if you hear my animals in the background chomping on a treat, that's them licking all over that. Okay. All right. So about the new judge. Okay. How does Brian and his attorneys feel about the judge? Okay. Brian recognizes the new judge as a very traditional judge. Okay. Um, he holds very high ethics and morals. Um, I do feel he respects that. Okay. Um, he actually feels that because of that, that he will have an opportunity, okay, to have a fair trial. The attorneys, literally everything I just said, agree with that. His attorneys, okay. Um, she feels that they will be more open to see some things other than the prior judge, okay. When it comes to how she was concerned that the state was withholding things, okay. And so she feels that this judge will not allow that, okay. Um, how did the state feel about this new judge? Well, I picked up the first word I wrote down was arrogant. Um, and I wrote 100% clear. When I write that, that is like it's so clear. Okay, just like me and you were talking. Okay, then I wrote here that I'm being shown that the state is trying to be sneaky, and the word that I hear, strategic, okay, about their sneakiness or something that they feel is, I don't know, there's something secretive or unknown on the state's part, okay, that they've not put out. I'm also hearing that I believe it's, oh goodness, I don't know his name, the man with the gray beard. Um, I'm hearing that he feels this is wasteful travel. Okay. All right. Now, how did the victim's family feel about this new judge? Okay. All right. So I wrote love hate. So I was picking up like a love hate balance. Okay. I was seeing that they did not appreciate his approach to things, but there is something about a certain family of the victims that I'm seeing shown that, like right now, I'm hearing win them over. So it's almost as if some of the victims' families will not rally or, I don't know. I feel like they're going to really make themselves be known, let them know who they are, I guess advocate very loudly out there in that county. Um, they want their story to be heard or told. Okay. Like I said, I'm hearing win them over. Okay. How did the judge feel about having to take over this trial or the case? Okay. Um, First thing I picked up was that this trial was coming in between some sort of set schedule that the judge had, and he didn't like that at all. Okay. Um, there's also there's some energy around. It's as if the judge feels that not necessarily the other judge or how it's been handled, but I'm not talking about the crime. Um, I am talking about how it was handled. Okay. There's something about he doesn't agree with it and he feels it is stagnant energy, basically. Okay. And he doesn't like to be handed, like he would have rather began the case rather than pick it up after it's done been stagnant. Okay. Um, okay. Also, 100% clear, I wrote on this, and I wrote in quotation marks, that there is energy around noticeable growth from the judge, okay? Whether it's his ethics or him in general or maybe the county, I'm not sure, okay? But he's got that on his mind as well, okay? Now, um, give me just a second. Let me get this dog right here. Okay, sorry about that. My dogs, like I said, are chewing these, and they're right here at my feet. Okay. Now, when will the trial be? Or is there any important dates that I was seeing? Well, I wrote down that okay, there's some energy around the summer, the July area. Okay. I'm also getting heavy energy around the harvest season. I do not get any energy towards May. Someone had asked that. Okay. And then I just asked, is there anything that Spirit wants to show me concerning this trial? Okay. All right. What I wrote down was there is some sort of shocking news about the case that will be made public. I do feel like the state is holding something back intentionally. Okay. At some point, I feel like they will be finding more evidence, some important evidence. I'm actually getting that some, what are they? I was going to call it lie detector test, but it's a polygraph test. I'm seeing someone take a polygraph test. I'm also a lot of appeals. I'm seeing. I'm also I feel a new trial eventually, but the thing is I do feel like there's going to be inadequate evidence and an acquittal possibly. But I do see a trial, but it could be a joint trial. Not exactly sure what it is. We will definitely try to, as it goes on and goes and gets later, I will keep checking. Now, let me pull a few cards here. Okay. Bronze energy. Atonement. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see it. Atonement. Paying for what you've done, or is, I'm going to be honest, I feel there's more than one involved. Okay. So it's like when I see this, I see like other people like stabbing in the back here. Okay. I can't help it. I just feel that there's going to be more things to come out. Okay. What about the state's energy right now? What's the state's energy? Forgetting oneself. Okay, so we got forgetting oneself. This could be they're forgetting the reason why they're even there. They don't know who they are anymore. Maybe it's, people that have taken oaths. Okay, perhaps they're going against those oaths. Okay, that would be why we would get that kind of energy. What's on the bottom? Gilded regret. See, it's almost as if here that somebody on the state side has done something that they don't recognize their self anymore. Okay? That they've done something that wasn't just, honestly. Okay. So let's just see what comes out here. All right, Spirit. Be clear and precise, please. Okay. BRYAN KOHBERGER. How's he feeling right now towards this case, BRYAN KOHBERGER? How's he feeling towards his case? Okay. All right, here's the Knight of Wands. And I notice there is a building behind there. Could be the prison, could be like a library, okay? We also have the Ten of Swords here. That is the a painful ending of some sort. But look, it's kind of like, do you see how it's like he's being dropped, right? Here, I feel this represents all his studying. This is also positive energy, okay? However, this card is kind of like someone throwing him under the bus, kind of, okay? Okay. How does the state feel? Oh, man. What did I just say a while ago about forgetting their oath? Okay, look at this. Look how they're sneaking something up underneath the table here. Like cheating, okay? I'm just telling you what the cards are saying and what it is I picked up. See, and look, the Three of Cups. And it's like a joker, okay? It's like they're... I mean, something I feel is very wrong right now. Okay, what is the outcome of this case for BRYAN KOHBERGER? What will be the outcome? Okay, Five of Cups came out. This is, the Five of Cups is regret, remorse. Okay, here is Judgment. All right, that would be like Judgment Day. Okay. What would be the outcome? Okay, so maybe there's something he does regret, or, well, why did we get the Five of Cups? Why is the Five of Cups here? Okay, we do have the Death card. Okay. Again, this is endings. It could be literal, could maybe not be. Here is the Two of Wands on the bottom. And look, here's the Four of Cups. That's missing out on an opportunity or missing something. I feel like there's going to be maybe at least two more folks that we end up learning about that was involved in this somehow. What's the Judge's energy? What is the Judge's energy? I feel the Judge is traveling right now for some reason, for whatever reason. What is the Judge's energy towards this case? We have the Ten of Wands, a lot of work, okay? A lot of work. And look, here's the Six of Swords, and look how they're dragging him. It's like he knows it's a lot of work, and they dragged him into it, okay? And then the next one was the Ten of Pentacles, but this is going to be a financial gain for him somehow, okay? All right, y'all. Well, that's what I've got so far on this case. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will go through the comments and read to see if there's anything else you guys would like me to check up on, or if there's another case you want me to update on, just let me know in the comments. Okay, y'all? I will see you next time. Bye.